Hello everyone. When it comes to Chinese bao buns, there are stuffing and the one without stuffing. So today we making no stuffing bao buns. Welcome to Saigon Cook Travel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So this is I make leaven in advance. You can read the recipe in the description box below. So this is the leaven that I started yesterday with 120 gram of starter, 45 gram juice, beet juice that is, and 50 gram flour. And I added, after 2 hours, I add 30 grams of juice and 60 grams of flour, and I let it proof like 3 hours. So now that is where I get it now. So now I go and I am mixing the main dough, which is 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 60 grams of sugar, 5 or 6 grams of salt, and 1 egg white. I also have 20 grams of chicken fat, but I will add when I mix in the machine. For the amount of sugar, I use 60 grams. That means very average. If you want sweeter, you can add more, because somebody can use up to 100 grams of sugar with this kind of amount of flour, but I try to get it less, to have just a little taste of sugar on my bun, that's all. Now I let on the other ingredients on the mixer, and I start with very low speed to speed 2, and I get it going, and now I add my leaven, and I add the juice gradually. Total I'm using 100 grams of beet juice. So how to get the beet juice, I have the video in my channel to show you how to extract the beet juice. You can see the color is so nice, and upon finishing mixing, I add 20 grams of chicken fat. That I render the chicken fat, and I got the liquid and add it to here. When my dough came to a bone and came away from the mixer wall, I remove my dough, and I knead it for a few times to make it into a ball, and that's it. And I cover it now and let it proof to double in volumes. And after that, I divide it into with this recipe you can make up to 8, each one about let's see how much I got, 100 100 grams for each. But I use half of the recipe. I use 4 only, and the 4 left I will do the one with the meat stuffing inside. So with each bowl that I have, I roll in to a bowl, and then after that I roll into a log like this, and for each log I cut them into 3 strands with the top still intact, and I braid it. And right now I already done braiding, so I roll it, and you should the bottom end you should pinch to the braids so that it sits nicely when they wait for steaming. So I make this the same way for the other 3, and now I have 4 enough for 1 steamer. And I use a parchment paper, and I cut some holes in it to make it steam go through. And I put my buns in it now, and we're ready to steam. You can see it's so beautiful color. And this is after I'm done, up to 10 minutes, and then after that you turn up the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes before you remove the lid. They said like that the bun won't collapse. Look beautiful, and thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.